Welcome to this lesson on row operations of matrices. In this video, we will explore how to use a tactile grid board and magnetic numbers to teach the process of swapping rows, multiplying rows by a constant, and adding or subtracting a multiple of one row to another row. To demonstrate the process of swapping rows, we can use magnetic numbers to represent the elements of the matrix on the board. The students can use their fingers to feel the grid and locate the rows they want to swap. Then they can simply move the magnetic numbers to swap the rows. To demonstrate swapping rows, let's start with this 3 by 3 matrix. On row 1 are the elements 2, 1, 3. On row 2 are the elements 0, 4, 2. And in row 3 are the elements 1, 0, 2. Let's swap the first and the third rows of this matrix. First, let's swap 2 with 1. Next, let's swap 1 with 0. Finally, let's swap 3 with 2. Our new matrix now is row 1, we have 1, 0, 2. Row 2, we have 0, 4, 2. And in row 3, we have 2, 1, 3. Another row operation is to add a multiple of one row to another. This is represented by picking up a magnetic number from one row, multiplied by a scalar, and adding it to the corresponding magnetic number in another row. Let's add 3 times the first row to the second row of our matrix. 1 times 3 is 3. Adding it to 0, that becomes 3. Next, 0 times 3, that's 0, plus 4, that's still 4. Next, we have 2 times 3, that's 6, plus 2, that's equal to 8. Our new matrix is now in row 1, we have 1, 0, 2. On row 2, we have 3, 4, and 8. And on row 3, we have 2, 1, 3. The third row operation is to multiply a row by a scalar. This is represented by picking up a magnetic number from a row and multiplying it by a scalar. Let's multiply the third row of our matrix by 2. 2 times 2, that's equal to 4. 1 times 2, that's equal to 2. And 3 times 2, that's equal to 6. Our new matrix is now row 1, it's still 1, 0, 2. Row 2, it's still 3, 4, 8. But our row 3 is now 4, 2, 6. The fourth operation is to subtract a multiple of one row from another row. This is represented by picking up a magnetic number from one row, multiplied by a scalar, and subtracting it from the corresponding magnetic number in another row. Let's subtract 2 times the first row from the third row of our matrix. 1 times 2, that's 2. Subtract it from 4, that's equal to 2. Next, 0 times 2, that's 0. Then subtract it from 2, that's equal to still 2. 2 times 2, that's equal to 4. Subtract it from 6, that's equal to 2. So our new matrix is now in row 1, still 1, 0, 2. In row 2, that's still 3, 4, and 8. And row 3, it's now 2, 2, 2. Practice using these row operations on your own and see how they can transform matrices. Keep up the good work.